How to update Meta Smart Glasses firmware. Start by making sure your glasses are fully charged or placed in their charging case. Open the MetaView app on your phone, which is where all updates are managed. If a new firmware update is available, you'll see a notification or prompt inside the app. Make sure your phone has a stable internet connection and that Bluetooth is turned on so the app can connect to your glasses. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to begin the update, and keep your glasses close to your phone during the process. The update may take a few minutes, so it's best not to interrupt or close the app until it's done. Once the update finishes, the glasses will restart automatically and be ready to use. Keeping your firmware updated is important because it improves performance, adds new features, and fixes bugs. If you don't see an update right away, check back again later since updates roll out gradually. With these quick steps, your Meta Smart glasses will always stay up to date and working their best. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.